You know, it's true what they say about beauty sleep, we actually do need it. So sleep better to look better with these 5 top tips. Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my bedroom. I thought I would take you in here today because this one is about sleep, all about how getting our beauty, our grooming, our handsome sleep will make us look and feel better. It actually, you know, it really is very true. Been doing loads of research on this. They say, they being like scientists, say we should be getting about 7 to 9 hours of sleep in order to make us look better and feel better. I would say, who actually gets that? I probably get about 4 to 5 hours of sleep a night. So this video is more about how you can make the most of the sleep that you get. So, what does sleep actually do for how we look? The first thing is that it can reduce the wrinkles. When we're sleeping, skin makes new collagen which will plump and prevent sagging. Sleep can also minimize puffy eyes and dark circles. With too little, it can cause swelling under the eyes. It'll also give us a brighter complexion. And the final one, which is the one that really does sort of speak to me, is that a good sleep can lead to thicker and fuller hair. Again, this is to do with the blood flow. The blood will deliver minerals and nutrients and vitamins, and without that, or with a lack of sleep, it can damage our hair and also lead to hair loss. Now, the first top tip really is maybe obvious, but something that we're not spending enough time on, and that is, well actually we are, mattresses. Now, as I said there, we are spending a lot of time on this, so make sure you're getting a good mattress. Up until I moved into this flat, I always had a sort of standard, very much like just shop bought mattress. I had a good sleep, but I hadn't appreciated how good a sleep could be until I got this one. Now, I did get sent this one, I'm not being paid for this. I got sent this one by Casper back in October, so I've had it for about 3 months. It is just so comfy. It's memory foam, it's got 4 different layers, so it will sort of mold into your body. I always thought about memory foam that it would kind of like envelope your body and you wouldn't be able to move, but it actually isn't like that at all. It really does just sort of support the body. I also managed to get, as I do guys, a £50 off coupon code, which I've linked in the description below, also with a link to Casper. But I would say if you've got a bit of cash, really do think about investing in it. You're spending so much time on this, get the most from your mattress. There you go. The second top tip is staying in the bedroom, and that's all about having the right bedroom setup. Now, I've made a real point of not working in this space. I want it to be really sleep focused, and I would say to you guys, do the same. I'm keeping it super simple. I don't have a lot going on at all. Really, I've got no pictures. I've got very sort of minimal colors, a bit of blue, which is very calming. Everything else is grays. My lighting actually isn't very strong at all. I'm really creating a very relaxed environment. Also, with some of the things I've got popped around, like this candle behind me, this is by This Works, again, all linked. This candle is amazing. It's got chamomile and lavender. I pop it on for just about an hour before I come into my room to then sleep, and it just sets the sort of the mood and the sort of atmosphere for me being very much in a sleep zone. Now, my third top tip is all about sleep sprays. Now, I was very much a skeptic about these up until about 2 years ago when I first tried one. I was like, what can this actually do for your sleep? Quite a lot. Now, much like that candle behind me, this has got various things in it which really does relax yourself, sort of chill you out and get you ready for sleep. Spritz a little bit on your linen, onto the pillows just before you're gonna go to bed, and then get in, and it really is very calming. This one by Ren has got frankincense. It's also got lavender in it. I've done one by This Works, as I said, which also has lavender. Lavender is literally the most calming thing ever. My fourth top tip is all about hydration. Now, water is so important, especially when we're sleeping. This is when it's gonna cleanse your system, really flush out a lot of those toxins. Also, it's gonna refresh your palate, so it means that you're gonna feel very comfortable. You're not gonna have loads of sort of weird tastes in your mouth. And make sure that you're only drinking water really up to 30 minutes before you go to bed. Otherwise, you will be up and down all night to the toilet. But really, water is key. If you can think about, if you've ever had a very heavy night out, do you wake up the next day, you're feeling hungover, but part of that is dehydration. Really, those toxins have just made you feel, I mean, one, like shit, 'cause you've had too much to drink, but really you're dehydrated and you've had a lack of sleep. So really, make sure you're not drinking too much alcohol. That's one, before you go to bed. Flush it out with all the water, and also make sure you're not having any sort of dehydrating stuff like caffeine. Really, you want to be keeping it simple with the water. That's one that I feel like I should be preaching to myself. Less alcohol, more water. Hydration though is key. And my final top tip is all about electronics, and I'm sure I am totally guilty of this. Sitting in bed, scrolling through Twitter, looking at Facebook, looking at Instagram, looking at YouTube videos, and that literally is the worst thing you can do. This is a sleep space. Keep all your sort of social media and all your entertainment in your living room if possible. But one thing really is your phone. Now, what I do is I always put it on Do Not Disturb, which is this little moon. That comes on automatically for me at 10 PM and it switches off at 6 AM, so it means there's gonna be no buzzing, there's gonna be no lights. And also guys, I make sure the Wi-Fi is off, and then guys, if I am charging it, pop the charger in, and then I put it face down as far away from my bed as possible. Sleep is so important, and as you've seen in these 5 top tips, take what you can, take little things, make little improvements to sleep better, to look better, honestly. Literally the best times in life I've had in terms of looking good, it sometimes happens, is when I've had good sleep and when I've not been out, absolutely boozing or been on my phone or all that good stuff. But there you go guys, thank you very much for watching. I have linked, as I say, absolutely everything down below. I've got the Casper mattress link, also the discount code. I've got all these sleep sprays and other sort of things I'd recommend, so check them out if you want to. But if you're new to my channel and you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do. Hit subscribe right now. The button is just sleep spray, up there. Also, there's more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. Or guys, head to my blog. I've got these 5 top tips and also more things. Blog articles, Robin, right there. But I'll see you in my next new video, which will be Thursday. Bye-bye.